How to redeem a Sephora gift card. If you want to redeem a Sephora gift card, what you do is you simply open your browser and you go to sephora.com and make sure that you sign into your account. Then tap on your profile name from the very bottom of the screen and you'll find various options here. What you want to do is you want to go to this little option that says account settings. From account settings, you would like to scroll down to the bottom and tap on payments and credits. From payments and credits, you can see the option called gift cards. So it says you can add a gift card over here. So you can add in a gift card number, your PIN, and you can check the balance of your gift card and it will automatically check the balance and also add the gift card balance to your wallet. So that next time whenever you purchase anything in Sephora, it will automatically first of all deduct the balance from your gift card balance. And this way you can redeem a Sephora gift card. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.